Hey everyone! Ever thought about trying vegan meals? It's not just about salads, you know. Vegan food is exploding with flavor and good things for your body. More and more people are discovering how delicious and healthy eating plant-based can be. And guess what? It's easier than you think to whip up amazing vegan dishes right in your own kitchen. Going vegan means choosing kindness to animals, to the planet, and to yourself. By choosing plant-based foods, you're saying yes to a healthier and more compassionate way of life. Plus, it's a great adventure for your taste buds. So, are you ready to dive into the exciting world of vegan eating with me? We'll explore delicious breakfasts, lunches, dinners, and even yummy snacks and desserts. Get ready to feel your energy soar and your taste buds dance. Let's face it, there are some myths about vegan food. It's boring, they say. It's all salad, they whisper. Well, I'm here to tell you that's just not true. Vegan food is bursting with color, texture, and amazing flavors from around the world. Think creamy avocado, juicy mangoes, spicy curries, and rich, hearty stews. Vegan food is anything but bland. We're talking about fresh, wholesome ingredients transformed into mouth-watering meals that will leave you feeling satisfied and energized. No more bland tofu and lettuce here. We're talking about flavor explosions that will make you wonder why you didn't try vegan sooner. Get ready to ditch the myths and discover a whole new world of deliciousness. One of the best things about going vegan is how amazing it makes you feel. Plant-based foods are packed with nutrients that your body loves. We're talking vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, the good stuff that keeps you going strong all day long. When you eat vegan, you're giving your body the fuel it needs to thrive. You'll have more energy, better digestion, and you might even find yourself sleeping better too. Plus, a vegan diet can help reduce the risk of certain health problems. So, are you ready to feel the amazing benefits of a vegan lifestyle? It's not just about the food, it's about feeling your absolute best from the inside out. Join me as we explore delicious and satisfying vegan meals that will nourish your body and make you feel fantastic. Good morning, sunshine, ready to start your day the delicious and healthy way. A plant-powered breakfast will give you the energy you need to conquer your day. Forget those sugary cereals and processed breakfast bars. We're going for natural goodness that will fuel your body and mind. Think vibrant fruits bursting with vitamins, hearty oats packed with fiber, or creamy avocado brimming with healthy fats. A vegan breakfast is all about nourishing your body with the best that nature has to offer. Get ready to ditch the breakfast rut and discover a world of flavor and nutrition that will make you excited to jump out of bed in the morning. Let's dive into some easy and delicious vegan breakfast recipes that will make you rethink your morning routine. The Breakfast of Champions Smoothie Bowls. Let's talk smoothie bowls, the superheroes of the breakfast world. These vibrant bowls of goodness are packed with nutrients, flavor, and endless possibilities. The best part? They're incredibly easy to whip up, even on the busiest of mornings. Start with a base of frozen fruits like berries, bananas, or mangoes. Add a splash of plant-based milk, a handful of spinach or kale for an extra boost of greens, and blend it all up until smooth and creamy. Now comes the fun part, the toppings. Get creative and sprinkle on your favorites like granola for crunch, fresh fruit for sweetness, a drizzle of nut butter for healthy fats, or chia seeds for an extra dose of omega-3s. Trust me, your taste buds and your body will thank you. Avocado toast, your new best friend. Our avocado toast, the millennial classic that has taken the world by storm, and for good reason. It's simple, delicious, and oh so satisfying. Plus, it's a blank canvas for your culinary creativity. Start with a slice of your favorite whole grain bread, toasted to perfection. Next, grab a ripe avocado, slice it in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the creamy goodness onto your toast. Now let your imagination run wild with toppings. Sprinkle on some flaky sea salt and black pepper for a classic touch. Add some sliced tomatoes and sprouts for freshness, or drizzle on some sriracha for a spicy kick. The possibilities are endless. Tofu scramble, a protein-packed delight. Looking for a hearty and protein-packed breakfast that will keep you full and energized all morning long? Look no further than tofu scramble, a delicious and versatile vegan alternative to scrambled eggs. Start by crumbling a block of firm tofu into a pan. Sauté it with some diced onions, peppers, and your favorite veggies until it's golden brown and slightly crispy. Now here's the secret to that authentic eggy flavor: a dash of turmeric. Turmeric not only adds a beautiful yellow hue, but also boasts anti-inflammatory properties. Season it all up with some salt, pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder for an explosion of flavor. All right, lunchtime, time to refuel and recharge with some seriously tasty vegan eats. Who says lunch has to be boring? We're ditching the soggy sandwiches and embracing vibrant, flavor-packed meals that will make you the envy of the office. Think colorful salads bursting with fresh veggies, protein-packed wraps bursting with flavor, or hearty soups that warm you from the inside out. Vegan lunch options are anything but limiting. In fact, they're an invitation to get creative in the kitchen and explore new taste sensations. Get ready to ditch the lunchtime slump and power through your afternoon with these delicious and satisfying vegan lunch ideas that will make you excited to dig in. Let's talk quinoa, the superfood that's here to stay. This ancient grain is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein, fiber, and essential amino acids. Plus, it's incredibly versatile and adds a satisfying texture to any salad. For a simple yet delicious quinoa salad, start by cooking the quinoa according to packaged directions. While it's cooking, chop up your favorite veggies. Think crunchy cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, colorful bell peppers, and anything else your heart desires. Once the quinoa is cooked and cooled, toss it together with the veggies, a handful of fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro, and a simple dressing of your choice. A squeeze of lemon juice, a drizzle of olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper is all you need for a flavor explosion. Wraps are a lunchtime staple, and for good reason. They're quick, easy, and infinitely customizable. Plus, they're a great way to sneak in extra veggies and plant-based protein. Start with a large whole wheat tortilla or your favorite wrap of choice. Spread a generous layer of hummus, vegan cream cheese, or avocado for a creamy base. Then pile on your favorite fillings. Think crunchy lettuce, shredded carrots, sliced cucumbers, and juicy tomatoes for a refreshing crunch. Add a protein boost with chickpeas, black beans, or tempeh bacon for a smoky twist. Don't forget a sprinkle of fresh herbs and a drizzle of your favorite sauce for an extra burst of flavor. Souped up hearty and flavorful vegan soups. There's nothing quite like a warm and comforting bowl of soup on a chilly day. And guess what? Vegan soups are just as hearty and flavorful as their non-vegan counterparts. From creamy tomato bisque to lentil stew, the possibilities are endless. The key to a delicious vegan soup is to start with a flavorful base. Sauté some diced onions, carrots, and celery in olive oil until softened. Then add in your liquid of choice vegetable broth, coconut milk, or even water, along with your favorite veggies, beans, lentils, or grains. Simmer until everything is cooked through and the flavors have melded together beautifully. Season to taste with salt, pepper, and any other spices that tickle your fancy. Dinner time. Plant-powered feasts. As the sun begins to set, it's time to gather around the table for a delicious and satisfying vegan dinner. Forget any preconceived notions about bland tofu or boring salads. We're talking about flavor explosions that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you feeling completely satisfied. Vegan dinners are all about embracing fresh, wholesome ingredients and transforming them into culinary masterpieces. Think hearty lentil stews, flavorful curries bursting with aromatic spices, or perfectly roasted vegetables that melt in your mouth. Get ready to ditch the takeout menus and embrace the joy of cooking delicious and nutritious vegan dinners that will nourish your body and soul. Let's dive into some easy-to-follow recipes that will make you excited to get cooking. Lentil bolognese, a hearty Italian classic veganized. Who can resist a big bowl of comforting bolognese? This veganized version of the Italian classic is just as hearty and flavorful as the original, but without any animal products. Lentils, the star of this dish, are packed with protein and fiber, making this a satisfying and nutritious meal. Start by sautéing finely chopped onions, carrots and celery in olive oil until softened and fragrant. Add minced garlic and cook for another minute, then stir in dried oregano, basil and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a touch of heat. Now add in your lentils. Green or brown lentils work well, along with crushed tomatoes, vegetable broth and a bay leaf for depth of flavor. Bring the mixture to a simmer, then reduce heat and cook for about 30 to 40 minutes or until the lentils are tender and the sauce has thickened. Season generously with salt and pepper to taste. Serve your delicious lentil bolognese over your favorite pasta, such as spaghetti, penne or rigatoni. Sprinkle with vegan Parmesan cheese, nutritional yeast is a great option, and fresh basil for an authentic Italian touch. Stuffed bell peppers, bursting with flavor and goodness. Stuffed bell peppers are a feast for the eyes as well as the stomach. These colorful vessels are perfect for filling with a medley of healthy and delicious ingredients. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. You can customize the filling to your liking using whatever vegetables, grains, or protein sources you have on hand. Begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Slice bell peppers in half lengthwise and remove the seeds and membranes. Place the pepper halves in a baking dish, drizzle with olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. While the peppers are baking, prepare your filling. Sauté diced onions, garlic, and your favorite vegetables such as mushrooms, zucchini, or corn. Add cooked quinoa or rice for a hearty base and stir in black beans, chickpeas, or lentils for added protein. Season generously with your favorite spices such as cumin, chili powder, or smoked paprika. Fill the pepper halves with the flavorful mixture. Top with vegan cheese if you like, and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the peppers are tender and the filling is heated through. Garnish with fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley for a final touch of freshness. Veggie stir fry, a quick and easy weeknight winner. Short on time? No problem. This veggie stir fry is the perfect solution for a quick and easy weeknight dinner that's bursting with flavor and nutrition. The beauty of a stir fry is that you can use whatever vegetables you have in your fridge, making it a great way to reduce food waste and get creative in the kitchen. Start by prepping your vegetables. Chop your favorites into bite-sized pieces. Broccoli florets, sliced carrots, bell peppers, snap peas and mushrooms are all great options. Heat a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat and add a drizzle of oil. Once the oil is hot, add your vegetables and stir fry for a few minutes until they're slightly tender crisp. Add a protein source such as cubed tofu, tempeh or edamame beans and continue to stir fry for another couple of minutes. Now for the flavor bomb. Whisk together soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, a pinch of sugar and a dash of chili garlic sauce if you like, for a delicious stir-fry sauce. Pour the sauce over the vegetables and tofu and stir fry for another minute or until the sauce has thickened and the vegetables are cooked to your liking. Serve your veggie stir fry over brown rice or noodles for a complete and satisfying meal. Snack attack, healthy bites between meals. Hey there, snack lovers. Who says snack time can't be healthy and delicious at the same time? We're ditching the processed junk and embracing plant-powered snacks that will satisfy your cravings and keep you feeling energized throughout the day. Forget those sugary granola bars and greasy chips. We're talking about whole food snacks that are packed with nutrients, flavor, and goodness. Think crunchy nuts and seeds, bursting with healthy fats, juicy fruits, brimming with vitamins, or homemade energy balls that are as delicious as they are satisfying. Get ready to upgrade your snack game with these easy and nutritious vegan options that will make you rethink reaching for that bag of chips. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Let's talk energy balls, the perfect portable snack to power up your day. These bite-sized balls of goodness are packed with nutrients, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you feeling full and satisfied between meals. Plus, they're incredibly easy to make and customize to your liking. Start with a base of dates, which are naturally sweet and act as a binder for the other ingredients. Add in a handful of nuts, such as almonds, cashews, or walnuts, for a satisfying crunch and a boost of healthy fats. Then get creative with your add-ins. Shredded coconut adds a touch of sweetness and chewiness, while chia seeds provide a boost of omega-3 fatty acids. For a chocolatey twist, stir in a tablespoon of cocoa powder or fold in dark chocolate chips. Roll the mixture into bite-sized balls and store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for a quick and easy snack any time of day. Fun fact: dates are a good source of potassium, which is an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Vegan cookies, sweet treats without the guilt. Who says you have to give up cookies when you go vegan? These sweet treats are just as delicious and satisfying as their traditional counterparts, but without any animal products. Plus, they're a great way to indulge your sweet tooth without any guilt. Start with a base of oats, which are naturally gluten-free and provide a satisfying chewiness. Add in a mashed banana for sweetness and moisture, along with a flaxseed egg. That's 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed mixed with 3 tablespoons water to bind the ingredients together. Now for the fun part, the mix-ins. Chocolate chips are always a classic, but don't be afraid to get creative. Chopped nuts, dried fruits, or even vegan chocolate chunks add texture and flavor. Bake the cookies until golden brown and enjoy them warm with a glass of plant-based milk. Fun fact: oats are a good source of beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that has been shown to lower cholesterol levels. Fruit parfaits, layers of freshness and flavor. Looking for a refreshing and visually appealing dessert? Look no further than fruit parfaits. These colorful creations are as delicious as they are beautiful, and they're a great way to showcase seasonal fruits. Start with a layer of creamy vegan yogurt. Coconut yogurt or almond yogurt are both delicious options. Top with a layer of granola for a satisfying crunch, followed by a generous helping of your favorite fruits. Berries, sliced bananas, diced mangoes, or chopped kiwi all add a burst of freshness and flavor. Repeat the layers until your glass is full, ending with a final sprinkle of granola and a sprig of fresh mint for garnish. Fun fact: did you know that strawberries are the only fruit that wear their seeds on the outside? Embrace the delicious world of vegan eating. So there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through a world of flavor, from vibrant breakfast smoothie bowls to hearty lentil bolognese and even guilt-free vegan cookies. Remember those mouth-watering avocado toasts? And who could forget the colorful veggie wraps bursting with goodness? It's clear that vegan eating is far from boring. It's about embracing fresh, wholesome ingredients and transforming them into culinary masterpieces that nourish your body and tantalize your taste buds. We've busted myths and discovered that vegan food is anything but bland. It's an explosion of color, texture, and incredible flavors from around the world. So go ahead, embrace the wonderful world of vegan eating. It's easier than you think to whip up amazing plant-based meals right in your own kitchen. Your body will thank you for the incredible nutrients, and your taste buds will be doing a happy dance. Ready, set, go vegan? Now that you're armed with a treasure trove of delicious vegan meal ideas, it's time to put your culinary skills to the test. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different flavors and ingredients. Remember, going vegan is a journey, not a race. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 vegan meals into your weekly routine and see how you feel. You might be surprised at how easy and enjoyable it can be. Plus, you'll be doing your part in creating a kinder and more sustainable world. So what are you waiting for? Join the plant-powered movement and experience the amazing benefits of a vegan lifestyle. It's time to eat well, feel amazing, and make a difference, one delicious bite at a time. Thanks for watching. Until next time, subscribe for more health and wellness tips.